Respect classmates, friends, respect everybody, and may he grow up God-fearing and an obedient kid. And at the same time, in behalf of our family, especially my husband, who's pagod na nakatayo, buong party nakatayo. And truly, he wished to be here with us. Maraming salamat po sa time nyo you spent with us, especially for Jesu. We really appreciate it, and from the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much. Our families and friends, his ninang, are very good friends, close friends from work and school. Saint Scholastica, Saint Luke, our Perpetual FC family, my family since high school, grade school, TJs. Thank you so much, our families from Makati and Town and Country, our lolas, and of course yung mga ninangs na from college. Kahit Friday, you were all here attending and celebrating with us. Maraming salamat po. So, let's continue to pray for each other, and at the same time, let's continue to spread kindness and love to everyone. Maraming salamat po. Swish ko lang? Wait lang, I will also like to take this opportunity to thank the suppliers and our partners in Jesus Party. Unang-una sa lahat, our host and magician, Sir Jimson. Maraming salamat po. I hope you get entertained. Second, the CKJ events, led by Miss Jinky. They have been styling and coordinating the Party of Jesu since his first birthday. Mami, maraming salamat po. And our coffee supplier, Beanful, thank you so much. Miss Mitch from Taters, our slushy, Request ni Jesu, Cubiertos Catering, Sir Jai of the Lights and Sounds, our mascot, Don Henricks, our photo and video team, Little Bunny, maraming salamat po. Our inflatables, Sky High inflatables, sana wala na akong maalala. Ay, makalimutan pala. And lastly, for the venue, Carmona Community Center, our very good friends, Purification Family, maraming salamat. Eunice, love you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Maggie. And now, we're going